AppSumo just dropped a huge bomb on all of us, and I can't believe they did this. So let me tell you about it. AppSumo just launched a AI Studio bundle in which they are giving us three tools with 1 year access, in which you have to pay something like the original pricing of the $750, but here you have to only pay the $39 for the one-time access. So these tools are the Fedum, Speechify, and the HeyGen. Can you believe this? HeyGen we are getting in the just $39 1 year access along with the two additional AI tools here. So hey guys, this is Basant here, and today's video I'm going to talk about this AI Studio bundle that we can get in just $39, for which originally we have to pay the around $750. So the first tool I'm really excited to talk about is the HeyGen. So with this tool we can create our AI digital avatars. We can clone our face, our gestures, body language. We can clone our voice, and with that avatar we can create the videos. So all we need to just select the layout and add the script, and after that this is how your video is going to look like. Let me play it for you and you won't believe or differentiate with me or my this video here.
Struggling to grab your prospects' attention with outdated outreach methods? Imagine landing pages so hyper personalized they greet your leads by name, company, and even location. Sounds game changing, right? With Sender, you can now create tailor made landing pages in just seconds. Let me show you how. Sender lets you easily import contact details from LinkedIn, Closely, or even CSV files. Its AI tools dynamically personalize your pages with names, company info, and more. The best part, you don't need to be a web designer. Use pre-built templates to add headers, testimonials, FAQs, or even dynamic video backgrounds. You can even replicate top performing pages from the community section to maximize results. And here's the kicker.
So will you able to differentiate with my or my AI avatar here? This is something like the myself I have created this video, but let me tell you, I have just get the script, pasted here, and because I have already created my clone voice and the avatar here, this video done by that avatar. So this is the power of HeyGen that I have showed you right now. And there's also templates available, there's the brand kit available, and let me show you, this is the annual plan I have got in this AI bundle, just paying the $39 for a year here. That's the really exciting thing. Now let me talk about the second tool, that is the Fedum. So with the Fedum, this is the AI note taker that you can use anywhere, no matter it's your Zoom meeting, it's your Google Meet, or you have to just simply provide the meet link. In place of you, this AI is going to attend the meeting, get the summary of that meeting for you. It will get the notes, and that notes will be stored in this platform, and after that you can use this stored data of the meeting to share with your or embed in your website, or going to used with your team here. So that is the power. All you need to just install it on any device, whether it's your Chrome extension, your mobile, or your desktop, and after that simply launch the meeting, and it's this kind of the meeting stuff is going to be the launch that is going to take the or attend the meeting in place of you. So this is really a good tool that you can get here. Okay, so all you have to just link your Zoom. Okay, you have to integrate, you can integrate with the Google Meet or the Microsoft team here, and after that it is going to work on the automation, auto record all of your meetings, going to automatically share the summaries and all this stuff. Okay, so this is the pattern. The third tool we have that included in this AI bundle, that is the Speechify. So with the Speechify, you can turn your text with the AI generated speech or the AI voiceovers. It has the tons of professional sounding like AI voiceovers. You can also change their speed, accent, or the pitch, and feels more like the human kind of the voices here. Okay, all you have to just provide the text and it will be turned automatically AI generated voiceover. Or my favorite one, that you can also clone your own voice with the help of this voice cloning. You can change the accent or the voice in your videos. You can clean up your audio files. For example, most of the times while recording the videos, it might be chance that your video have the echo, background noise, or any kind of the thing that you don't want it there. So there's the cleanup speech feature available. All you have to just upload that file, no matter it's your video or the audio format, and after that it will automatically going to clean up with the professional sounding like of the features. And there's also the one more feature that I like it here, is that AI dubbing. All you need to just select the language in which you want to dub your video or the audio file. It might be your video in the English format and you want to turn it into the Spanish or the French. You can dub it with this AI dubbing feature here. So this is the Spotify platform, and this AI bundle you are also getting the 1 year access plan. Okay, so this will be might that you have some questions about this AI Studio bundle, like what is the refund policy, what if I didn't like it, what if I don't able to get the 1 year access. No worries, because once you got and get this deal, you will get the redemption instruction. To following that, you will able to activate your plan here. Okay, no worries that. Or you can also get the support from the app, so if you have any problems or the errors getting. Okay, and let me now talk about what is the refund if you didn't like this AI bundle. So first, let me tell you, there is no refund policy in this AI bundle. So you can get all the details on the deal page. The link will be given in the description for this AI bundle. I suggest make sure to check everything carefully before you actually buy it. But in my suggestion, something like you don't have to pay around the $750 and you are getting in the $39. That is just a fraction of the price, and actually it's nothing you are paying here for the 1 year access. Okay, so this is the few questions I have answered here. Okay, or you can also check out the FAQ section here. So if you want to check this AI Studio bundle deal, the link will be in the description. And that's all for today's video. If you want to let me know any tutorials or the detailed video you want to check it out, just comment it. I will do the detailed video there. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe this channel to stay updated all these kind of the videos. Bye bye, take care. I will see you in the next one.